Hello students, in the last class we discussed about the anomalous properties of the nitrogen. In this class we study about the some chemical properties of the Puebla elements. First one is reaction with hydrogen. Reaction with the hydrogen. The 15th group elements, namely nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. These 15th group elements, they forms hydrides. If they reacts with hydrogen, they forms the hydrides of the type EH3. Hydrides of the type EH3. The E is an 15th group element, may be nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony or bismuth. That is 15th group elements, they reacts with a hydrogen, forms the hydrides of the type EH3. Then most important point is, when we move from nitrogen to bismuth, EH bond dissociation enthalpy or bond energy, simply can call it bond energy or bond dissociation enthalpy, decreases. When we move from nitrogen to bismuth, the EH bond dissociation enthalpy decreases. Based on that, the thermal stability of the hydride, decreases from NH3 to BiH3. NH3 to BiH3, what happens to thermal stability? Means decreases. Why that thermal stability decreases? Means because bond dissociation enthalpy, EH bond dissociation enthalpy decreases. Based on that one, we can consider that BiH3 is less stable. Correct? BiH3 is less stable, nothing but the more reactive. Why BiH3 is less stable in nature? Means due to its low bond dissociation enthalpy. BiH3 is said to be the less stable in nature. Then the EH bond dissociation enthalpy decreases. The breakage of the bond becomes easier. The breakage of EH bond becomes easier. When the bond dissociation enthalpy, EH bond dissociation enthalpy decreases, that cleavage of the EH bond becomes easier. Hence, they can easily donate the hydrogen. If they donate the hydrogen, means they can behave as the strong reducing agent. Based on that one, BiH3 is a strong reducing agent. Correct? BiH3 is a strong reducing agent. While NH3 is a mild reducing agent. Can you guess or give the answers for these two questions? Why BiH3 is a strong reducing agent and NH3 is a mild reducing agent? Can you solve these two questions? The main reason is in BiH3 bond dissociation, BiH bond dissociation enthalpy is low. When that bond dissociation enthalpy is low, that BiH bond breakage become easier. That can easily donate the proton. Similarly, NH3 has high bond dissociation enthalpy. Then based on this one, the acidic nature again increases Acidic nature increases from NH3 to BiH3. Correct? From NH3 to BiH3, acidic nature get increases because decrease in the bond dissociation enthalpy. For any reason, you can consider the low bond dissociation enthalpy. That acidic nature, that is in the order BiH3. BiH3 is more acidic than that of an SbH3, than that of an AsH3, than that of PH3, than that of an NH3. This is the acidic order. Then similarly, that basic nature, here, the basic nature is mainly due to the presence of lone pair electrons on the central atom, lone pair electrons on the central metal atom, that NH3, nitrogen has lone pair electron, PH3 has lone pair electron, they have lone pair electron. That as the size increases, when we move from nitrogen to bismuth, atomic size increases. Nitrogen is a small size. Nitrogen has a small size in nature. Hence, that electrons, they concentrated over a small region. That lone pair electrons, they concentrated over a small region. Hence, NH3 can easily donate the pair of electron. NH3 can easily donate the pair of electron. That Bi has a large size. Hence electrons, they concentrated over a large region. They have to concentrate over a large region. Hence that BiH3 cannot easily donate the electron. Therefore, basic strength is in the order NH3. Basic strength is in the order NH3 more basic than PH3, than AsH3, than SbH3, than BiH3. This is the basic order. You have to remember all these orders for your competitive exams. Then, these boiling point, when we move from NH3 to BiH3, the boiling point increases. Generally, you consider PH3 to BiH3. Here one exceptional case is there. PH3 to BiH3, boiling point increases. Why PH3 to BiH3 boiling point increases means, in these molecules, they arise as van der Waals forces. Van der Waals forces arises in these hydrides. The magnitude of the van der Waals forces, magnitude of the van der Waals forces increases with increase in the size. As the size increases, the magnitude of the van der Waals forces increases. Hence, boiling point also increases. Then, we are considered PH3 and NH3. Out of PH3 and NH3 has a high boiling point. NH3 has a high boiling point than the PH3. This is very most important. NH3 has a high boiling point, or PH3 has low boiling point than the NH3. PH3 has low boiling point than the NH3. Why that NH3 has a high boiling point? Means nitrogen is more electronegative. Nitrogen is more electronegative than the phosphorus. Nitrogen is more electronegative than the phosphorus. Due to that more electronegative nature, it forms the hydrogen bonding. that NH3 forms the hydrogen bonding, but such hydrogen bonding not present in the PH3. Hence NH3 has a high boiling point. This is very most important. Why PH3 has low boiling point than NH3? Because in NH3 nitrogen is more electronegative. It forms the hydrogen bonding, while phosphorus is less electronegative. It not forms such hydrogen bonding. This is about the reaction with hydrogen. You have to follow these points. In reaction with hydrogen, the 15th group element forms the hydrides of the type EH3. E may be any 15th group element. When we move from nitrogen to bismuth, EH bond dissociation enthalpy decreases. EH bond dissociation enthalpy decreases. Based on that one, thermal stability of the hydrides decreases from NH3 to BiH3. Based on that one, BiH3 is less stable due to its low bond dissociation enthalpy. The bond, due to decrease in the bond dissociation enthalpy of the EH bond, breakage of the EH bond becomes easier. Hence, they can easily donate the hydrogen. Hence, they can hydrides they behaves as a strong reducing agent. BiH3 is a strong reducing agent because it has low bond dissociation enthalpy. BiH3 has low bond dissociation enthalpy. NH3 is a mild reducing agent because of its high bond dissociation enthalpy. Acidic nature increases from NH3 to BiH3 because bond dissociation enthalpy decreases. This is the acidic nature order. Basic nature is mainly due to presence of lone pair of electrons on the central atom. This nitrogen atom is small size, hence electrons are concentrated over a small region. Hence NH3 can easily donate the lone pair of electron. Hence NH3 is more basic. While being it has large size, electrons are concentrated over a large region. It cannot easily donate the electron. Based on that one, basic nature order is NH3 more basic compared to other 15th group element. Then, when we move from nitrogen to bismuth, that is PH3 to BiH3, boiling point increases. PH3 to BiH3, boiling point increases because in these hydrides, van der Waals forces occurs. Van der Waals forces occurs. PH3 to BiH3. In all these cases, van der Waals forces occur. Magnitude of the van der Waals forces increases with increase in the size. As the magnitude of the van der Waals forces increases, boiling point also increases. BiH3 has high boiling point due to its high magnitude of the van der Waals forces. The exceptional case is PH3 has low boiling point than the NH3. PH3 has low boiling point than the NH3, or NH3 has high boiling point because nitrogen atom is more electronegative. It forms the hydrogen bonding, while such hydrogen bonding not occurs in case of the PH3. This is about the reaction with hydrogen. The second one is reaction with oxygen. These 15th group elements reacts with oxygen, forms the oxides of the type E2O3 and E2O5. Oxides of the type E2O3 and E2O5. Then you consider these E2O3 and E2O5. Among these E2O3 and E2O5, in E2O3, oxidation state of the E element is +3. Here it is of +5. Already in first year redox chapter, you know how to calculate the oxidation states. Based on that one, in E2O3, oxidation state of E, 15th group element is +3. Here it is +5. Then we know that the element with higher oxidation state is more acidic. In any compounds, an element with higher oxidation state is more acidic. Based on that one, E2O5 oxides are more acidic. Correct? E2O5 oxides are more acidic than E2O3. Then this is the important one. Then one more point is acidic character. Acidic character decreases down the group. Decreases down the group. Maybe either in E2O3 or in E2O5. Why that acidic character decreases down the group? Means main reason is electronegativity decreases. Electronegativity decreases. Higher the electronegativity, higher will be the acidic nature. Higher the electronegativity, higher will be the acidic nature. Based on that one, acidic character decreases down the group. By using that one, you can consider N2O3 more acidic than P2O3, than more acidic than that of an nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, AS2O3, then antimony Sb2O3, then Bi2O3, then similarly N2O5, E2O5, N2O5, P2O5, AS2O5, Sb2O5, then Bi2O5. This is about the acidic strength order. You have to remember these one. Why acidic character decreases either from E2O3 to E2O5 down the group means electronegativity decreases. Then in E2O3 oxides, that nitrogen and phosphorus E2O3 oxides are purely acidic. They are purely acidic in nature. That of arsenic and antimony. They are amphoteric in nature, while that of bismuth is purely basic in nature. Nitrogen and phosphorus E2O3 oxides are purely acidic. Arsenic and antimony oxides are amphoteric. That is, they can behave both acidic and basic, while bismuth oxides are basic in nature. Next, one more point. If they are giving these oxides N2O, NO, then other oxides are N2O3, then one more is N2O5. Same nitrogen oxides only they are given. In that one, you have to mention which one is more acidic. At that time, just you calculate the oxidation state of the nitrogen. Here in N2O, it is of +1, it is of +2, here +3, then it is of +5. Here you can consider one more N2O4 also, +4. Already we are considered that element with higher oxidation states are more acidic. Based on that one, N2O oxides are less acidic than NO, than N2O3, N2O4, than N2O5. This is also important for the CET point. Only they are given one element oxides. At that time, you calculate the oxidation state. Higher oxidation state oxides, they are said to be the more acidic in nature. This is about the reaction with oxygen. Just I considered that 15th group elements reacts with oxygen, forms the oxides of the type E2O3 and E2O5. An element with higher oxidation states are more acidic in nature. Based on that one, E2O5 oxides are more acidic than that of the E2O3. Then acidic character decreases down the group. Why acidic character decreases means electronegativity decreases down the group. Higher the electronegativity, higher will be the acidic nature. Based on that one, these are the reasons. In E2O3 oxides, nitrogen and phosphorus are purely acidic, arsenic and antimony are amphoteric, and bismuth is a basic. This is about the reaction with oxygen. Next, reaction with halogen. Next one is reaction with halogens. These 15th group elements reacts with halogen forms the halides. The forms two types of the halide. Halides of the type EX3 and EX5. 15th group elements form the halides of the type EX3 and EX5. Then most important one, nitrogen not forms. That is, EX3 means trihalides, EX5 means pentahalides. Nitrogen not forms pentahalides. Nitrogen not forms pentahalides. Can you guess why nitrogen not forms pentahalides? The main reason is that nitrogen valence shell is 2. If n equals to if n value this is equals to 2, then only s and p orbitals are possible. That is, nitrogen not provides vacant d orbital. Correct? Nitrogen not provides vacant d orbital and not expand its covalency. Not expand its covalency behind 4. Its covalency is restricted to 4. Already in anomalous properties we are studied. Covalency of nitrogen is restricted to 4 because it not provides vacant d orbital. Based on this reason, nitrogen not forms the pentahalides. Very most important one. 1 mark reason why nitrogen not forms pentahalides means it not provides the vacant d orbital and not expand its covalency behind 4. Then one more, pentahalides. Pentahalides, they are more covalent. Pentahalides are more covalent than the trihalides. Pentahalides are more covalent than the trihalides. These are all 1 mark questions. Reasons why pentahalides are more covalent than the trihalides means these pentahalides, they have very high polarizing power. High polarizing power. Why they have high polarizing power means higher the oxidation state of the central atom. Higher the oxidation state of the central atom. Higher will be the polarizing power according to Poisson's rule. Already you have studied in chemical bonding. Higher the oxidation state of the central atom, higher the polarizing power. That is, as the polarizing power increases, covalent character also increases. With increase in the polarizing power, covalent character increases. Pentahalides, the central atom is in +5 oxidation state, while in trihalides, central atom is in the +3 oxidation state. In trihalides it is in the +3, in pentahalides it is in the +5. Higher oxidation states have high polarizing power increases, covalent character also increases. Based on that one, pentahalides are more covalent than that of the trihalides. This is very most important. These two reasons are important. And one more, in trihalides, the central atom undergo sp3 hybridization. With one lone pair electron, and has a tetrahedral shape. While for EX5 they undergo sp3d hybridization and has a trigonal bipyramidal shape. You have to remember these 2 points also for your competitive examination. This is about the reaction with halogen. Just 2 points. 15th group element forms the halides of the type EX3 and EX5. First point, very most important point is nitrogen not forms the pentahalides. because nitrogen not provides the vacant d orbital and not expand its covalency beyond 4. Second most important point is pentahalides are more covalent than the trihalides. Why they are more covalent means due to high polarizing power. Just you write high polarizing power. Why they have high polarizing power means higher the oxidation state of the atom, higher will be the polarizing power. Higher the polarizing power, higher will be the covalent character. That is explained according to Poisson's rule. Then you can consider for comparative point in EX3 central atom is sp3 with one lone pair and tetrahedral shape, while in EX5 central atom is sp3d and has trigonal bipyramidal shape. This is about the reaction with halogen. In the next class, you can study about compounds of the nitrogen.